Let me teach you how to parallel park. First step is first, make sure you have your right signal on. Check your surroundings, make sure everything is clear, and go and line up the back bumpers together. The reason why I tell my students to line up the back bumpers together, because it's gonna work with any vehicle you want. Be approximately a meter away from the parked car. Turn the steering wheel 1 full rotation to the right. Put your vehicle in reverse, look at your surroundings, and start backing up. Keep going back until you're at a 45-degree angle, just like this. Yes, you're allowed to take quick peeks in your camera as well too. So go back until you're at a 45-degree angle, just like this, and until your front bumper has passed the back bumper of the stationary vehicle. Once you are all aligned up, take your foot off the brake slightly and start turning the wheel all the way towards your left, just like this. And make sure you keep looking around for other vehicles and the curb as well too. And voila, that's it. If you want to learn something else, let me know in the comments below. And by the way, I recommend this gap so you can leave easily.